Okay, so for this question, we're trying to find an equation of the tangent line to the curve this at the point 1, 1. And the first thing we need to do is determine the slope of the tangent, which is going to be m tan will equal the limit as x approaches 1, since we have f of x and one point is 1. And so we're going to do f of x, 1 divided by square root of x, this, minus 1 divided by square root of 1 divided by x minus 1. This in turn will give us the limit x is going to approach 1, 1 divided by square root of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. And we need to come up with a way to get a common denominator just for our numerator here. And so to do this, we can say the limit as x approaches 1, we will get 1 minus square root of x divided by square root of x. And our denominator is still x minus 1. And now we need to come up with a way to try to at least cancel the numerator from the denominator. One way we can do this is to uniquely factor out the denominator here. So let's do this. Limit x is going to approach 1. We will get 1 minus square root of x divided by the square root of x, parentheses. Okay, so square root of x minus 1 times square root of x plus 1. If you notice, we're not actually changing anything. So if you do square root of x times square root of x, you get x. Square root of x times 1 plus square root of x times negative 1 is 0, and negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. And so now we have to try to at least cancel this term from this. So let's do this. Okay, so yeah, you can say limit x is going to approach 1. We will get 1 minus the square root of x. But now we're going to put a negative in the front. And if we put a negative in front, we got to put a negative on the inside. And so boom. So now we will get divided by square root of x all over the square root of x minus 1, parentheses, square root of x plus 1. And now if you notice, this and this is equivalent, so we can therefore cancel. Boom, boom. And so we will be left off with a limit x is going to approach 1, and we will have negative 1 divided by square root of x all over the square root of x plus 1. So let me scroll down, get some more space. And okay, so now we need to devise a way to make it more clear. So limit x is going to approach 1. We have negative 1 divided by square root of x. And we can say here we have 1 divided by square root of x plus 1. And now we simply insert our 1 in. So we'll get negative 1 times 1/2. And therefore our answer for just our slope tangent will be negative 1/2. But we want to find, well, the question says find an equation of the tangent line. So one more step, and that's going to be y minus y1 equals the slope, parentheses, x minus 1. And then this here will be our answer. And that's it.